Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here. So I wanted to get on real quick and kind of go through Freedom Breakthrough. If you guys don't know what it is, I'm going to explain it. But this is basically my complete blueprint on how I went from $1,229 in the bank to creating a six-figure business. So I want to get on and do some Q&A, but I also want to show you the back end of Freedom Breakthrough and what you're going to get when you decide to work with me. I'm really excited. Let me know who's on live with me. I want to get on live and do this Q&A to, answer some questions. I know a lot of you guys have been emailing me, some questions, some concerns with the course, but I just want to give you a complete breakdown of what you're going to get when you decide to purchase Freedom Breakthrough. Now, again, this is my complete system on how I went from negative $1,200 in my bank account to creating a six-figure business and leaving my job. So, hey, what's going on, brother? We got McCall on, and who else is on? I know I'm going live on multiple platforms right now. Awesome course, man. I appreciate it, brother. And yeah, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a screen share. I'm going to kind of explain or kind of go through the course. If you don't know what it is, this is my brand new course I just released last Tuesday, so not even a week ago. And I just want to show you guys exactly what you're going to get with Freedom Breakthrough. But let me just show you something real quick, okay? This is something really crazy that happened to me when I built my business. Okay, let me just share my screen real quick. Okay, so guys, this is before I started my online business. Okay, so as you can see here, I had negative $1,229 in the bank. Okay, this is on May 10th, 2019. All right, now 5 days later, okay, this is May 10th. You can see that. 5 days later, I created my first YouTube video. Okay, May 15th, 2019. Okay, and then 9 months after this, right? Of course, I had put in a lot of work and created my business. After that, I was able to literally quit my job. Okay, I quit my job as electrical engineer, and this was 2 weeks before the pandemic, and I actually quit my job, which was pretty cool, right? So this is Freedom Breakthrough is how I did that, right? Not only my story, but you're going to get the full breakdown from beginning to end of how I was able to basically start a business from the ground up, okay? And it's everything that I learned in this whole time, okay? And again, if you don't know, I spent over $40,000 in courses, mentors, masterminds to be able to know this stuff, okay, guys? So I want to really stress that I spent a lot of money learning this. Now, of course, I'm not regretting that because I was actually, able to build a pretty big business. But what I'm saying is I took everything I've learned, all my experiences, all the money I've invested, and I put it in this course. Okay, so I want to show you guys everything right now. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up the course real quick. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. So this is Freedom Breakthrough, guys. This is, again, like I said, this is my full breakdown of how I went from negative $1,200 in the bank to creating a six-figure business, my full blueprint. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys an in-depth of everything, okay? This is the back end of my course. All right. Now, module number one, or not even module number one, this is just the intro module. This is basically for beginner affiliates, people that are looking to, just start. I give them an intro of what to expect in the course and what to expect in an affiliate marketing business in general. Okay. You can see I have my affiliate lingo language and all that good stuff. Okay. Module number one, okay, this is where it gets kind of fun. I go into picking the niche, right? So if you're a beginner, obviously you have to have a niche, you have to have an interest that that's the reason you're picking affiliate marketing, right? Because you want to build your business on something you're interested in. So you can see here, I show them how to pick a niche, right? Which is really important for beginners. Now, if you're a complete beginner, or if you're not a complete beginner, obviously don't worry about this too much because you already have that figured out, right? So don't worry about this if you're not a complete beginner, but I also have something for my advanced affiliates as well, all right? Now, module number two, I go into how to create the website, right? How do we create an affiliate marketing website? And you can see this is very in-depth on how to create a website, step by step by step by step, okay? Now, here's the cool thing that a lot of people don't know, okay? So every module has a worksheet to go with it, okay? So you can go here and hit download module 2. And it's going to go to every module has its own worksheet. So not only are you going through video by video, you're actually getting a worksheet to go with every module. So you have everything to get started right away. You don't have just the video, you have everything right away. Okay. So That is module number 2, is how to create the website. Now, this is cool, guys. Okay. Now, if you guys don't know Nathan Lucas, I don't know where you guys are at, but this guy is a 7-figure earner. He's done over $1 million with one affiliate company, probably a lot more with others that I don't know about. But I brought Nathan Lucas on to teach Google SEO mastery. Okay. So how to get on the top of Google, right? So I was able to bring Nathan Lucas on, and he agreed to give me a full course. Like, you can see this, like, it's a full course on how to get on Google, how to get on the top of Google. If you guys can get on the top of Google, it's very, very powerful, because then you can get traffic to your affiliate offers on autopilot, right? And that's the goal. So module number 3 is one of my favorites. You also get a worksheet with module number 3 as well, just like the other ones. But yeah, you can see here, download module number 3 right here. Okay. Now, module number 4, we go into the automation stuff, right? This is where I really love affiliate marketing, because you can automate your whole business, your whole system. Okay. So you can see I talk about my perfect affiliate marketing funnel. Not only that, you guys get all my funnels as well. Okay. So I teach you everything. I show you how to do it, but then I give you my system. I give you my funnels that have made me 6 figures. Okay. So very, very cool to have, this in here, how to automate your system. Now, module number 5, we go pretty deep into how to actually set up your email autoresponder, how to do email marketing, which is critical, right? Like, if you don't have an email list, you really don't have a business. So I go really deep into how to do email marketing. And this right here, again, I've spent over $40,000 in courses and mentors and masterminds. I bought a whole course on email marketing. Okay. So I have this just inside of here. Okay. How to actually do email marketing inside of my course. All right. Which is powerful, because email marketing, if you can learn email marketing, you'll never go broke again. The more you build your list, the more money you're going to make. Okay. And I go through that inside of the course. So module number 5 is all about email marketing. And guys, I'm going to answer some questions. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know down below or in the comment section. I'll be answering questions about Freedom Breakthrough, but I just want to go through everything real quick. Okay. Module number 6 is I show you how to get free Facebook traffic. If you don't want to get on video, if you just want to use Facebook, this is a great way to get traffic, is using Facebook traffic. Okay. I show you how to do it with your Facebook profile and your Facebook group. Okay. Now, here's a really, really cool one. Okay. Now, this one is insane, guys. Okay. Joshua Ong. If you guys don't know who Joshua Ong is, this guy was able to quit his job. He was able to quit his job to become a 6-figure affiliate marketer in, like, I think 9 months, which is kind of funny, because it was on 9 months as well. But with Josh, okay, what's crazy about Josh is he shows you how to do high ticket sales using Facebook organic, okay, which is just insane. Okay. He's literally just using Facebook, no ads at all. Okay. And this is crazy about Josh. I asked him, hey man, just get me, send me just a quick course on, how you do it. Literally, look at this. It's a whole freaking course. Like, this right here is worth a lot, guys. Joshua knows a lot. Joshua Ong is brilliant when it comes to Facebook ads. I'm sorry, Facebook organic, and how he closes sales just with Messenger. And you can see the value in this bonus module by itself. Okay. I'm really, really impressed with this guy has done. And I know everyone that has taken the course is very, very impressed with this one as well. So really excited about this one. Okay. All right. Number 7 is one of my favorite modules, is YouTube, right? That's how I've been able to grow to that 6-figure mark, is with YouTube, because YouTube brings me traffic on autopilot, right? I get so much traffic from YouTube. It's amazing. And that's why this is one of my favorite modules for myself, because I'm able to get traffic every single day using YouTube. Now, with YouTube, it obviously takes a little longer to build up, to kind of start in the beginning. And that's why I bring in guys like Joshua Ong to show you how to get those quick sales using Facebook organic. Okay. But my opinion, YouTube's my favorite of all time. That's why I say the king of free traffic is YouTube. So just want to kind of let you guys know that. Now, module number 8 is one of my favorites, is free TikTok traffic. Okay. We show you, like, how to blow up your brand using TikTok. Like, if you guys haven't seen my TikTok, I mean, I have almost 80,000 followers, which doesn't matter, because, I mean, it does matter. But what I'm saying is, I've been able to grow my business and brand using TikTok. And not only am I able to grow my email list, but I'm able to grow my YouTube channel as well. So Mod 9, we show you how to get free traffic with Google Ads, okay? And not only Google Ads, we also go into YouTube ads as well, okay? So you can see here, we show you how to do the tracking pixel for Google Ads, how to redo retargeting, how to run ads, YouTube ad custom placements. We go pretty deep into the YouTube and Google's ad side of things, okay? So insane amount of value if you want to scale up with ads, okay? Now, module number 10, we go into TikTok ads, which I actually had a mastermind training that I did for David Sharp at Legendary Marketer, I think last Saturday. Yeah, so last Saturday, I actually did a live training for TikTok ads because not a lot of people are doing this right now, guys. And this is kind of a hidden gem that I have that I put in this course is how to run TikTok ads, okay? So as you can see so far, okay, there's a lot of things on traffic, okay? Because as you know, traffic is the most important thing when it comes to affiliate marketing, okay? So this is all about traffic, okay? You can see I'm very, very, I want to teach you traffic because it's the most important part of your business, okay? But yeah, so live on course, insane value. Appreciate it, Craig. Cool, guys. Got some people on live. Awesome course, man. Appreciate you guys. And then, of course, I have paid ads with Facebook as well, okay? So I go in through and I show you how to create ads for Facebook, okay? All right, almost done here, guys. I just want to show you everything, okay? Now, module number 12, we go into launch jacking, which if you don't know, launch jacking is basically finding launches that are about to launch and we're creating content. And when people actually search this content, we can make a ton of money. And I've been able to make a ton of money with launch jacking. And this is a great strategy for beginners to kind of get that, income going as fast as possible. Okay, so that's why I teach launch jacking as well. Okay, because my goal is to get you guys as much results, as much value as I can in the beginning. I know in the beginning it's hard because you want those results, you want that proof of concept that it works for you. So that's why I bring in guys like Joshua Ong, who's going to teach you how to get faster sales with Facebook. And I think that's one of the fastest ways you can get some high ticket sales with using Facebook, right? Now, if you want to build a longer term business, that's why I teach you YouTube, right? So we have different options for you guys as well. Now, I have some more bonuses for you guys. As you can see here, I have Alex Branding here where he teaches you how to structure a perfect affiliate offer. I mean, this guy has done, I think, over $500,000 with affiliate marketing. And I brought him on and he just gave us so much value in this bonus course. So yeah, guys, we got that as well. And then of course I bring in Paul Motley as well. So I have 4 super affiliates coming on to teach as well inside of this course. I brought some of the best guys in the world to teach you guys because I want to get you guys results. And not only do I give you everything that I've learned to be able to create a 6-figure business, as I bring in guys that have created 7-figure businesses. So the goal is to bring in the best people to teach you. And you can see here, I bring in 4 super affiliates. And then at the end here, of course, if you want to promote Freedom Breakthrough, then you can also do that as well because we give you 50% commissions if you decide to promote Freedom Breakthrough. Of course, you don't have to. That's just an option if you want. So anyways, guys, any questions, let me know down below. If you do want to purchase Freedom Breakthrough, I'll leave a link down below. Let me just leave that real quick. So I'm going to add that right now. So you can see if you want to buy Freedom Breakthrough, just go to jonathanmontoyalive.com/freedomgo. You guys can go ahead and purchase that if you are interested. Now, I will tell you that the pricing will go up. It'll actually be doubling once we hit a certain amount of members. Right now, we're in launch mode. So at the moment, we're just at that special launch pricing. Once we hit a certain amount of members, that price will definitely be going up. So make sure you guys get on and get that pricing because, I mean, as you can see, there's an insane amount of value with Freedom Breakthrough. I'm like, this is not something that I put together in a few weeks. Like, literally took me months and months and months to not only build this course myself, but also get in some of the best people to come in as well. So I want to show you kind of some of my students' results as well. Let me just pull this up. Yep, here we go. So you can see here that Victor has been using my TikTok free organic strategies. And you can see he's done well over $1,000 a day using just TikTok, which is just insane, right? David Ronnie's another one here. He's done. He just started his business not too long ago, so he's a brand new beginner. But he did, $75 with Clickfunnels, so that's pretty cool. Another one here is Pierre Baker. Now, this one is one of my favorites, guys. He's literally built a business in jail, which is just insane, right? How do you actually build a business in jail, right? And I don't ask questions. I have no idea how he did it, but you can see here, he started his business in December 4th, 2019. 4 months later, he's making $1,000, $2,000 commissions. Again, I have no idea how he's doing this as far as like technology and all that good stuff, but man, he's just crushing it. I mean, he goes live in jail, and he has a pretty big following now, which is pretty insane. So Pierre Baker is one of my favorite students that literally just took action. Like his situation was like, obviously he's in jail, right? Like he has so much excuses to not build a business, but he was able to do it. He was able to make it happen. So Pierre's one of my first students, actually. He's been able to crush it. Someone on YouTube, Boss Chaka, says, I have a question. Yeah, what's your question? Go ahead and drop it down below. Go ahead and answer that. And Trish Boyd, one of my students, had just got her first high ticket commission. She said it finally happened, and this was not too long ago. This was just October 6th. So this is 6 days ago. She said, finally happened, my first high ticket commission after a lot of hard work, and finally it's starting to pay off. Thank you, Jonathan Montoya. So guys, this stuff works. People are getting results, especially, complete beginners and even people that have been doing this for a while. So make sure to get on, guys. So I wanted to show you guys the whole system and what you're going to get. Okay. And how many days can I earn my first dollar from ClickBank? I can't tell you that, man. It's going to depend on how much action you take and, apply the knowledge that we give you. We've had students, get sales as fast as, the first week, right? But that's because some students take more action than others, and some students, will actually do the work, right? So I can't tell you how many days they'll actually earn, okay? So anyways, any other questions, guys, let me know down below. And I just want to show you one last thing here before we get off. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see here. Oh yeah, I just want to show you the stack one more time, guys, because this is just insane. Like, I think this is an offer that I wish I had when I first started. And like I said, I spent a lot of money on courses, so that's why this is valued at where it's valued. Okay, so you're gonna get the complete Freedom Breakthrough training program, the done for you funnels, the checklist like I showed you, and then featuring Nathan Lucas, right? That complete program is featured with Nathan Lucas. Bonus number 1, you get affiliate offer secrets featuring Alex Branning, and then bonus number 2 is you get launch jacking mastery, which is I show you how to get products out before they're even launched, and that's how I've made a ton of money as a beginner. And then bonus number 3, you're going to get the Facebook affiliate formula featuring Joshua Ong, how to get high ticket sales with Facebook organic. And that one's, like I said, that's a hidden gem, guys. That is one of my favorite bonuses. And I think you guys are going to find so much value in just that one itself. And then bonus number 4 is you're going to get to leverage the authority of 5 super affiliates. And you can also become a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate if you want to make those high ticket sales. So anyways, guys, I just want to go over that real quick. But if you guys have any questions at all, please drop a comment down below. If you're watching this on the replay, just type in #replay. If you're on the live, let me know if you're on live. If there's any questions, go ahead and let me know down below. I just want to kind of show you real quick the whole process on how I was able to go from negative 1,200 to 6 figures. So anyways, guys, you guys have a great day. God bless, and we'll talk soon.